The next topic, writing skill. Now we are going to see article writing. Article writing is nothing but process of creating non-fictitious means real one, real text இருக்கணும், fact about current or recent news. இப்போ வந்து ரீசெண்டாக நடந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷனோ நியூஸோ இல்லைனா கரண்ட் நியூஸை பற்றியோ யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு ரைட் இன் English. Published in printed forms such as newspapers and magazines. You have read in English newspapers, they have written articles about a given topic. So this is one of your writing skill. You have to write non-fictitious means real fact, not imaginary but real facts about current or recent news. What are the steps you are going to follow while writing an article is theme decision. You have to decide the theme. What is the theme given there? You decide the theme first. Next one, selective title. You have to give selective title to the news you are going to write. Next, outline formation. Before writing outline formation, you have to give introduction about the particular news. Next, body of the news. Next, conclusion also. You have to write in this format only. Next, draft the content. What content you are going to write, you make a draft. Then editing in that you should not finalize the content you have drafted, but possible corrections should be made in that article. Editing means any grammatical mistake or any other mistakes you have done in your article means you thoroughly check it and correct that. Final reading should be done before publishing the article. So these are the steps to be followed while writing an article. In your exercise, a topic is given. What was the topic means? You are returning home from school. You are knocked down by a speeding motorcycle. So what you are doing? You have escaped from that accident with minor injuries. Imagine yourself as Kishore or Kavita of class 11. So you are going to write an article to the Hindu newspaper in 150 to 200 words expressing your views about the increasing number of road accidents due to careless driving. Reckless means careless driving. You are going to write this article. Also you have to stress அழுத்தமாக சொல்ல போகிறீங்க என்னென்னா the importance of following traffic rules should be strictly followed. இந்த பாயிண்ட்டை ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணி you are going to write the article. Road accidents, you have to give the title road accidents due to reckless driving. Imagining yourself as Kishore or Kavita, the question is given like that. So imagine yourself as Kishore or Kavita. It may be written in the center also, no problem. You have to write the heading and then who is going to write that article, who has written that article, you have to mention that also. Now the content is given. There are possible reckless driving is a type of a traffic violation in which a driver displays complete disregard for on the road signals and laws. It is a common cause of car accidents, and because it usually involves high speeds or extremely dangerous driving tactics, it often results in the injury or death of one or more people involved. Fortunately, a reckless driving can be prevented by knowing reckless driving accident causes and following a few safety tips. Drivers can keep themselves and other drivers on the road safe from harm. So a reckless driving accident is typically caused by one or more poor decisions by the driver, full stop. By following the rules of the road and traffic laws, drivers can usually avoid this type of accident. Thereby you are concluding this article and you are sending it to the Hindu newspaper. So it was completed. It's a small article just to be published in a newspaper. Note down the homework, ma. This is your English homework. Rearrange the subfilled words to make meaningful sentence and guide meaningful sentence. The sentences are given in ஷஃபிள்டு ஒரு மாதிரி ஜம்பிள்டு ஆர்டரில் இந்த சென்டென்சஸை வேர்ட்ஸை கொடுத்துருக்குறேம்மா. யூ ஹாவ் டு அரேஞ்ச் த வேர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் மேக் எ சென்டென்ஸ் ஆஃப் கரெக்ட் மீனிங். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு டூ இட் அண்ட் சப்மிட் இட் as homework. Kindly note it down. Your test will be based on this topics which I have taught. I will send the test portion also. This one and this one. Take a screenshot or note down. Stop the video, note down, and then submit it to me. Thank you, children.